Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Glen Active Blender Grinder SA4048. It comes in two color option. One is champagne gold, the one I have in front of me, and the other one is metallic red. Now here on the box, some things are mentioned. I'll quickly take you through. Like, it comes with a 2-year warranty. There is a 350-watt motor, which is good enough for grinding spices, making puree or blending shakes. It's made in India. Now, interesting thing about this active blender grinder is you can do various things that you do with a normal mixer grinder, which actually comes in huge sizes. Now this one is a very compact in size. It's actually the size less than size of my palm. You can see it is very light in weight, so you can keep this throughout on your kitchen slab. Even if in your office you want to keep it, you can flaunt it, and it's good for traveling also if you want to take it along. Now this one comes with three different jars. This one is a stainless steel jar, apt for making chutneys, grinding spices, making purees. If you want to puree baby food, you can also do that. Because it's stainless steel, it's hygienic, it's durable, and it is rust resistant. It comes with a transparent lid. That means you can easily view it, how much grinding has been done, whether you want to run it more or not. Now, in order to run the machine, you just have this one button. You have to just press it, and the 350-watt powerful motor will do all the work for you. Now here, these two different plastic jars, this one is 300 ml and this one is 500 ml, and they both can be used for grinding, blending, mixing and storing. When I say mixing and blending, you can do all that with this stainless steel blade, which is rust resistant. Now when I say storage, it comes with these two different lids. When I use this lid, I can store whatever I have grinded. So if there are spices you want to keep for later use, you can just grind the spice, you can put the lid on, and you can keep it in the fridge or on the kitchen slab, wherever you want to keep. If you have made some paste which you don't want to use it now, you want to use it later, you can close the lid and keep it in the refrigerator. So it's apt for storing. Now this lid also has this variation, like if you don't want to use this lid, you want to use this as a sprinkler, you can use this lid and you can use this to sprinkle also. So it's very interesting thing to use in the kitchen, and the good thing is that these two lids, both the lids work on this 500 ml capacity also. This one is again food grade plastic. That means you can use it for a whole lot of time. It says unbreakable food grade jar. The brand says it's unbreakable, it's break resistant obviously, and then it is BPA free also. So if you are making baby food in this or any kind of food in this, the good part about BPA is that it doesn't mix the smell with your food, whatever you're preparing. So it is again, that's the plus point that you get. You also get this user manual cum warranty card along with. In the box it talks about the detail, how to use this, how you can use it for storage, what are all the usages of all the different jars. You can go through this to understand the product in a better manner. So all in all, this was it about Glen Active Blender Grinder SA4048 champagne golden color. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.